Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset IHSS provider login credentials, account recovery step by step clearly. To begin the account recovery process for your IHSS provider login credentials, navigate to the IHSS website. Locate the login section on the home page. Click on the Forgot Username or Password link. A new page will open with recovery options. Select whether you need to recover your username or password. If you are recovering your username, enter your email address linked to your account. Click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a message from IHSS. Follow the instructions in the email to retrieve your username. If you are recovering your password, enter your username on the recovery page. Click the Submit button to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset message. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will direct you to a new page for password creation. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets all security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. Click the Submit button to finalize your password change. Return to the login page of the IHSS website. Enter your username and new password to log in. If you encounter any issues, revisit the recovery options or contact IHSS support for assistance. Ensure you keep your credentials secure to avoid future recovery needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.